there, my name is Michelle Coolidge, and today I'm going to talk to you about Zotero. Zotero is a free bibliographic manager that can help you build your library of resources, manage citations, and create bibliographies in multiple word processing programs. First thing you want to do is go to zotero.org to download the program. Once you've done that, you want to install a Zotero connector on the browser that you typically would use. Once you've installed the program and the connectors, you'll want to install Zotero word processing plugins. This will allow Zotero to interact with your word processing program. Once you have logged in, you will see three separate columns. The left column has various collections, sub-collections along with tags and is quite general. The middle column displays the references and the specific collection that you have, and the right column displays information specific to what you have highlighted. The top section has a way to organize your articles. Also, you can find a place to be able to search for new articles using different search engines. As you can see, I already have some folders set up on my left-hand side. In the middle has the list of articles that I have imported already, and if I click on one of those, on the right, it will give me the information about that specific article. Now I'm going to show you how you could go into a program like Google Scholar and find an article that imports directly into Zotero. So I've already searched up formative assessments. I'm going to click on this one, a critical review of research, and see if that one is available. It certainly is. And look up here, it says Save to Zotero the PDF. So I'm going to click on that. I want it to be in my assessment folder. And I'm going to click on Done. Now, if I were to go back into my Zotero program, I would see that that would be imported directly into my Zotero. So now I'm in Microsoft Word, and I'm working on adding quotes from different articles that I've read and building a bibliography. So to start with, I have this sentence and I have a quote from an article that I've read. I'm going to then click on Zotero, Add Edit Citation, and the article that I want is Assessment and the Improvement of Education. So I'm going to click on that. Brings it up here. I'm going to hit Enter, and then it directly imports it into my Microsoft Word. I'm now ready to create my bibliography. For Microsoft Word, I select the Zotero tab at the top of the toolbar, and it shows me the Zotero icons again. This time I select the Add Edit Bibliography button. This process can take a few minutes, so do not be alarmed if it is not instantaneous. Now you can see how Zotero pulls from the resources that I used in my paper to create my bibliography. As with any program, there are a few limitations noted with Zotero. One thing I found is that it does not prevent or remove duplicate items in your library, even though there is a duplicate section in the table of contents. Instead, you must select the duplicate and manually remove it. It is also mentioned in a few online forums that Zotero does not have as many reference styles as RefWorks or EndNotes, though I have not used those programs enough to be able to comment. And there you have it, a very beginner version of how to use Zotero. There are many more features of this program, and if you choose to use it, feel free to visit www.zotero.org for more information and tutorials on this program.